Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can hear, I am sick. I do have a cold, but I'm not gonna let that stop me. I really want to get this video up and going for you guys. So today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial and a giveaway on the brand new Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel eyeshadow palette. To find out the rules to enter, just keep watching to the end of the video. As soon as I seen this palette, I loved it and I knew I had to have it, and it's a palette that you can do everyday simple eyeshadow looks with or do a bomb cut crease. So I wanted to give it away just to show my appreciation for all the support and love I have gotten the last couple months since I started my channel. Okay guys, if you're interested in entering my giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below on a way I can get in touch with you. It can be your Instagram handle, Snapchat, an email, anything like that. Just do not leave your phone number. That is personal information and I don't want you putting it out there for the world to see. This giveaway ends November 10th. I will contact the winner personally and I will post the winner in the description down below. The winner has 24 hours to get in contact with me and claim their prize, or I will pick someone else. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.